Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef and the owner of a bakery. Today I'll be demonstrating how to make mango curd. Additionally, I'll be showing you a few desserts that can be made using the mango curd. So first, what is mango curd? It's a sweet and tangy sauce that may be used in a variety of desserts. It's also great for spreading on toast or scones to add a little tropical summery flavor. You only need 4 ingredients to make the curd: mango puree, sugar, eggs, and butter. You can purchase mango puree pre-made, or to make your own, place freshly cut mangoes in a food processor and puree until smooth. First, combine the following ingredients in a saucepan over the stove. You need 280 grams or 1 cup of mango puree, 100 grams or 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 egg yolks, and 2 whole eggs. Stir these ingredients together and begin to cook over medium-low heat. You want to stir this consistently, else you could end up with mango-flavored scrambled eggs. Continue stirring until the mixture begins to thicken. The mixture should be steaming and reach approximately 180 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, turn off the heat and add 112 grams of cold unsalted butter, or 8 tablespoons, and stir until the butter melts. Butter is going to add a nice smooth and creamy texture to your curd. Once your curd is finished, place a strainer over a bowl and pour the hot curd into the strainer. This will remove any lumps that may have formed while making the curd. Next, press plastic wrap directly over the curd, as this will prevent a skin from forming on top. That's all there is to making the mango curd. As promised at the beginning of the video, I'll show you a few desserts that you can use the curd for. First, I have a parfait made with mango curd, fresh mangoes, and granola. Super simple to make. Just lighten the mango curd with some whipped cream, then create alternating layers of mango cream and granola, and finish off with some fresh mango chunks. Next, I have a Swiss cake roll filled with mango cream. This is an almond sponge cake, again filled with the lightened mango cream. Yum! Both of these recipes may be found on my website. Just check the links below in the description. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the thumbs up button and/or leave us a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks and have a great day.